welcome to a new YouTube video. It is Teresa. What's up? How are you guys? I hope everybody is doing a wonderful day. It is great for me today. I am doing a makeup look, and we're accomplishing this makeup look right here on my face. So we're gonna accomplish this nice, beautiful purple smoky eye for when you're going out with your girls or whatever the hell you want to do when you wear this look, whatever you want to wear it with, because makeup is a freedom of expression. Even if you're going to pick up your kids, whatever the case is, go ahead and wear those looks. But anyways, besides, before I go into anything, I wanted to share the palette that I'm using. Disclaimer, I am not a person to tell you to use this. I'm not telling you to use it. If you have it, then you will follow the tutorial or get similar colors to this eyeshadow. So if you're looking at the case, you've probably seen it. It came out in Sephora a while back. You could get this palette in eBay. I got it as a gift, meaning I got it as a gift so long ago, not so long ago, but it was a while. And I never used it. I never opened it. I never did anything of it. Like I probably I didn't even do anything with it. I think I just looked at the colors and I put it away. Right now it's a little beat up because I was, doing this look. We're gonna be working with these 3 shades plus this champagne color and this bone color. So all the colors that I use will be in the bottom description below. Please, if you feel uncomfortable using any old eyeshadows, please do not use it. Your health is more important. I know that you keep eyeshadows for 2 years after opening date, so I have 2 years to use these, because as many of us, we probably buy a lot of eyeshadows and don't use it at all, which is common. It's a common thing. I always ask myself how the beauty groupers deal with that, because they always pull out so many makeup videos, and then when they do a whole makeup tour and you see all these palettes, do they still use it? I'm always thinking about that. Who knows? That will be a question that will never be answered. But so if you want to accomplish this look, you could follow and pick up any of these colors. You could find these colors like in Urban Decay, NYX. Who else sells like colors like these? Urban Decay, NYX. You could check Wet n Wild if they have the quads. The quads usually have these bright colors. If not, mostly Urban Decay and NYX, they work with a lot of bright colors, and you want to get colors like this. If you already have a palette that has, there's another brand, but I don't have it on the top of my head right now. Like, I know what it is, but I don't remember the name of it. So right now, I will link it below. Maybe you could find their brand with similar shades like this. But if you have this palette, then you go ahead and follow what I'm doing. I'll go ahead and link it on eBay if you are interested in buying this palette. I don't recommend, if you don't feel comfortable, like I said, to use an old eyeshadow palette. Like I said, it's safe to use it after 2 years after the 24 months is required. So when you start opening it, that's when you have 2 years of a time period to use your eyeshadow palette. So that's really up to you. Okay, but I'm gonna stop talking. I hope everybody enjoys this makeup video, and there's gonna be probably parts that I'm talking, but then the rest I will speed it up so you guys could watch it. And I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel. This is just a very simple YouTube video. I'm trying to see if I actually start recording more. I just gotta figure out my time right now. Just like so much things are happening at the moment, so it's like I had to reorganize myself once again before I go bananas and don't start recording. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the makeup video. Like, subscribe, comment. That would be nice to know what you guys think of it. And also thank you. All right guys, see you in my next video. Bye. So like I said in the beginning of the video, we're working on a very old palette. So if you have this palette, great. I am down one light because I have 2 kittens and they dropped my lighting. So we're gonna work, and I'm having real close. So we're gonna record. If you see me looking at you and drifting away, I'm kind of watching Netflix. I'm watching it was in Telemundo, the Luis Miguel story. I was trying to watch it when it came out. So, and also I can't find certain of my things. But yeah, so let's get started and let's talking and let's go. can't find my eyeliner. Just look definitely needs an eyeliner. And I'm thinking about just doing my pencil. So let's get it. We're gonna do it with the pencil because I can't find my eyeliner. And let me stop because I don't want to get, even though I don't have a lot of followers on YouTube, I don't want to get monetized by them because they hear the music in the back. Before we finish off this look, I'm gonna set my spray with Bare With Me. I love this primer. So, setting spray on me. Okay, if you're wondering why I cover my eyelids, it's because I have very oily eyelids, and oily eyelids are not my best friend. So I kind of like cover that up. But this is our final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was good. And see you in my next video.